let us see some of the examples of inbuilt functions. I'll say num is equal to input enter a number. Enter a number. Okay. Now it is executing input function. Now this input function is designed to take some value from the user. Now whatever user will be type will be treated as what data type. Now if I want to see what will be the data type of num. Now what this statement has done, it has taken some data from the user, that is 7 8, and it has saved that data in variable num, right? If you want to see the value what is saved in the num, you can write print num or simply num if you write. Okay, but how this 78 has been saved? What is the data type of this 7 and 8? Now if you write type of num, see it is giving str. That means num is not a number, it is a string. As if you save a b c d 4 5, and if you write type of s, you will get str. Now what if I want to save 78 as integer? For that only we used int method here. Now this int, what it will do, it will convert this string which this input function is taking, and then it will convert that string into its equivalent integer. Okay, so if I write, now it is asking for number. If I write 89, now if I write what is the type of num, now this time it is showing integer. It is same as if you write n is equal to int of 8 9, right? Again if you write type of n, you should get int, right? Similarly float function will convert it into float. What if the number cannot be converted into integer? If you give input like this, if you give argument let us say TWO, right? You want integer of TWO, so you will get error. So here, but here in this case when you give 8 and 9, it did not give error. When you write TWO, it has given error. That means if the character which you have given inside int function, if it can be converted into integer, you will not get error. If it cannot be converted into integer, you will get error. Okay, then there are other functions like ORD. It will give ordinal value. Ordinal value or ASCII code. What is the ASCII code of A? ASCII code of A is 65. Similarly, you can find out ASCII code of other numbers also, other characters also. If I write ASCII code of 9, so ASCII code of 9 is 57. Another one of the important function is eval function. If you say x is equal to eval, and if I write uh, let us say 7 plus 8. So input I have given as string, right? If you print value of x, that is 15, that means it has evaluated this string and it has converted into number, and then it has saved the result into x. Okay, if you have to read a list from the user, there also we used eval function. For example, if I write lst is equal to input lst is equal to eval and input enter a list of numbers. Okay, list of numbers. Now input you are giving in the form of string. That string will be converted into list. How it will be converted into list? By Python will see that you have given a bracket. That means you have given a square bracket first and then you have entered list of numbers. If you don't give this square bracket here, it won't be treated as list. If you give curly bracket here, this input will be treated as dictionary. If you give round bracket here, this input will be treated as tuple. Now let us see what is the type of LST. See, the type of LST is list. Let us see example of functions defined in module. Suppose I want to find out square root of math.sqrt. Suppose I want to find out square root of 7. Right? It has given square root of 7. But if you call this function print sqrt 7, if you call this function without name of module, you will get error. And before using this function math.sqrt, you have to import math module. I have already imported. See, here I have written import math. If you don't import math module and if you give print math.sqrt, you will again get error. Name math is not defined. How Python will come to know where is math? First you have to give import statement. That means you have imported all the functions which are defined in math module, and then you are using one of the function which is defined in math module. How you have to use that function? By typing name of the module first, dot name of the function, and then the data on which you want the function to work.